Hey guys, welcome to another video. I have been absent for a couple of days. It's just been super crazy in my life, and I apologize for not posting videos for the last 3 days. But I am back now. Everything's under control. The storm has gone away, and I can film again and put more content out frequently. Today, as you know, it's gonna be a get ready with me, and I'm just gonna be putting on my makeup and chatting with you about some random stuff that happened. I think I'm gonna go shave. Well, I'm just gonna use like a clipper and buzz this off because I'm looking at it at the viewfinder. It's really pissing me off. I'll be right back. Okay, much better. So together with being busy like this whole last part of the week, I've been seeing a lot of family members. So I saw my mom, I saw my dad, I saw my sister. I saw my sister's boyfriend, everybody, and then we went out to eat and stuff, and some of my friends hit me up and they wanted to eat as well. And it was a little annoying because, well, not annoying to see them, but it was a little annoying in terms of the food, because I have a very strict diet that I follow, and I can't have a lot of different things. So like in my situation, I can have a lot of carbs, and I found myself eating carbs, just making an excuse like, oh, it's okay because they're here and it's just in one off day, it's not gonna hurt me. And it hurt me. Like, I totally noticed the change, and I'm like, I gotta persevere through those little excuses, for my diet. Because unfortunately the reality of it is, if I don't stick to it, this happens. As you know, because you've seen my face without makeup a lot of times, I don't break out that often, not this big. And it happened as I started eating, carbs, and I started eating fried foods and things with the wrong type of oil in them. And boom, like it just came out. It's healing now, like it's not active, so hopefully it'll go away. And I also had one on my chin and my forehead, that were a little bit annoying. But everything is under control. I went back to eating mostly fat, so my body's happy again. It's balanced, and we're just gonna thrive. So when I was having breakfast with my sister and my dad, we were reminiscing a little bit about the 90s and like things that reminds us of the 90s, and somehow we got to talk about push pops. I don't know if you guys know what a push pop is. If you're young, you probably don't know because you're too young. You're probably not even born, or you were like 1 or 2 years old when those were around. But in Brazil, like, we had these candies that literally look like a little stick, and then you would put your finger like underneath it like this, and the candy would come out, You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a tube, and you put your finger, it's like the candy comes out. It was the grossest thing to have, and I always thought they were gross. Like, ever since I was a kid, I was like, why are people into push pops? Push pops are disgusting. Okay, you take it out, right, and then you suck on it, you lick on it, and then you're not finished with it, so it goes back in, but there's no air coming inside. It's like kind of disgusting in there in the container, and you carry it with you in your humid ass pocket all day, and then you take it out and you work on it again. And that's just such a gross concept. Also notice how they used to market things to kids. Like, they made it seem so cool. Like, I want to dance, when I saw that commercial. I want to be into hip hop and all that stuff. Another thing that happened last week was I was invited to help sponsored at an event. It was like an Oscars contenders event at the DGA, which is the Directors Guild Association here in West Hollywood. And we were in the green room or whatever where all the celebrities were, and I haven't seen that many. I've seen celebrities here and there, influencers everywhere in LA. To the point where, like, if you're an influencer, nobody gives a crap about you most of the times. Like, they just kind of ignore you. It's really bizarre. Like, I seen influencers like do meet and greets in LA, and like, what they announce it, they market it, everything, and then like 10 people show up, and these people have like millions of followers. It's just a completely different place. Like, LA. Like, I think people are just not fazed by it, you know? I saw like everybody. I was like, how is this possible? It's not even the Oscars and you have all these celebrities in one room. And like, I don't even think that the event was was televised. You know, I don't even think what the event, I don't even know what the event was. Like, contenders, like what? These people are nominated or gonna be nominated? Like, I don't know. Anyways, we were there. The celebrities like were there as well. I didn't get to touch any of the celebrities because they probably have their own makeup artists, hair people, and they don't want to be touched by anybody, right? So I was just standing there basically, you know, helping people that were not like the talent, because a lot of the talent had their own thing going on. And I was observing the talent, like, you know, socialize and talk to each other. So I saw a bunch of people, like the people that stood out to me the most, like the one that stood out to me the most out of everybody was Sandra Bullock, because she looks amazing. And she's like a makeup girl, so her makeup was really on point. It looked super pretty. She was wearing like the smoky eye. Her face was flawless, you know, and she looked like she enjoyed, you know, all of that. And it was really cool because like I like when I see people that enjoy wearing makeup, you know, having their hair done and being glamorous, but not being totally like, oh my god, because I have all of this, I'm better than everybody else. You know, so it was really fun. She was loud, she was jovial, she was talking to people, she was being super social. It was really fun. And then other people that were there was like Nicole Kidman. Who else was there? Constance Wu was there. She accidentally sat on the chair and I thought she wanted to touch up, but she's like, no, I'm just hanging here. I'm just waiting for my makeup artist or whatever. No, actually, she didn't know that her makeup artist wanted to do a touch up on her. I figured that out because like her makeup artist came to our chair and then she was like, I'm just gonna set this up over here because like I'm gonna touch up Constance Wu. And she ended up not showing up to the chair and just like, you know, socializing and hanging out on her own. The entire cast of Black Panther was there. Christian Grey, you know, that actor. The guy from The Office, Jim, was there too. See, it's bad because I don't know any of these people's names, and like I should because I live in LA, but I don't watch a lot of TV. And I have a lot of friends that are like, you don't watch a lot of TV, you want to be a makeup artist, and you don't know who blah 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 is, you don't know who this is. And I'm like, it's not my interest. And maybe, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't be a makeup artist, but I'm in it for the art, you know? I'm not in it for the name dropping. If you know what I'm saying. Obviously, if it's somebody I know and I've watched their movie or whatever and I think they're super talented, then yeah, I'll be like impressed to see them. But they're still people just like you and me, you know? Also last week, I've been using some new skincare products and I think that also might have been like freaking my skin out a little bit. I don't really think so because like usually I'm fine using whatever skincare product I break into, but I did start using some new stuff. And if you're interested in skincare, stay tuned because I'm gonna show it at the end of the video once I have my face on. But can we talk about how amazing my hair looks? It's like so voluminous, so poofy. I'm gonna do some contour. That contour went right on top of that pimple. Like, I hope it helps. Like, I hope that's a blessing that the pimple is under the contour right now. So yeah, for those of you that don't know the story behind my hair, there actually is not a story behind my hair. The only thing about it is that I cut it myself. So I shaved the sides and I cut the top, and that's about it. And it's not like the perfect cut, but it works for me. You know, like I'm able to style it, I'm able to do whatever I want with it, and it looks nice, it looks fresh, it looks clean. Could I go to a hairstylist and get it cut? Absolutely, honey! But why would I do that when I can save money? And Not to shade stylists around here, but I do a much better job than you do, and you know it. Okay, I think my makeup's done. I think I'm gonna put a little blush just to kind of switch it up. That was gross. Don't ever let me do that again. Okay, now's the time to go through the new skincare that I've been using. Okay, so this is the stuff that I've been using. I'm gonna go through each of these one by one so you know what is up. So the first thing that I've been using is the Cellular Swiss Ice Crystal. And by the way, I'm only talking about skincare because I have a subscriber that is super cool. Her name is Diana, and you can see her in the comment sections here and there. We get into the coolest conversations about makeup and skincare, and we're both like really addicted to skincare, which is crazy. I thought it was only me and a couple of other people. But she's from, you know, Switzerland, where this is made. And we got into a conversation about it. And I've used so many products from La Prairie that I haven't had one that has disappointed me. So when I think of oils, I always think of like waste of money. Why would I pay, you know, $400, $500 for an oil? But this oil is such a game changer. It does actually penetrate the skin 100% all the way to the bottom, and it helps it to become hydrated and plumped and everything an oil is supposed to do. I actually like using a little bit on my lips, and that's how I've been getting my smooth lips. Because I know a lot of you notice that my lips are not the best. So by applying a little bit of this on them, it actually makes them look smoother and more presentable. The other product I've been using is La Nuit de Chanel, which is this one over here. And it's a nighttime moisturizer, but sometimes I'll use it daytime. And it's just a really nice hyaluronic acid, lightweight moisturizer you can use at nighttime. I don't know if I like or dislike this product because I've noticed like little bumps on my skin every time I use it. So I've been using it like every other day, so not every day because I guess it's really, really rich. The other product I'm using is the Giorgio Armani's Crema Nera Extrema Light Texture Cream. So it looks like this. It comes in the light texture and the heavy texture, and it's a super anti-aging moisturizer. This is gonna help to firm lift. It helps to like revive the skin. It's great if you have really, really dry skin, and I chose to use this one because, you know, wintertime everything gets a little bit drier. The skin gets a little crackier, and sometimes I have to use a little bit more coverage. So I need to use something that's hydrating and plumping, that's gonna make everything look better, and it's also gonna make my skin feel better. I'm not the youngest person on YouTube, so I gotta take care of my skin and make sure that everything is not gonna crack and that I can keep it smooth, young, and firm as long as I can. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and talking about a bunch of random stuff. I noticed that I gained a lot of subscribers. Well, not a lot, it's like 100,000. No, I got some new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. You know, I noticed that I've been getting them consistently in the past couple of days. So if you're new, sometimes I make videos like this is to get ready with me. I just like talk about really, really random stuff that's on my mind. And it's a way for me to connect with my subscribers. So if you don't know what's up, this is what's up. You're gonna watch a video, you're gonna comment, I'm gonna reply to your comment, and we're gonna have a conversation, and we're gonna be friends. And that's just the way my channel goes. Most of the videos that you'll see in this channel are gonna be Let's Play videos. So it's just me playing with makeup, and it's gonna be the same palette, the same collection, you know, just different ways of using the same colors, which I think it's so important, you know, because a lot of channels, I feel like they do all these reviews, all these looks, and it's always using a different product. But realistically, how many palettes do you need? How many eyeliners do you need? How many blush palettes do you need? You know, so why not try to get the most out of one thing as much as you can? So this Christmas, if you haven't been watching Let's Play, I am doing the Pat McGrath Opulence Collection. I'm doing the Mothership #5. I'm doing NARS Provocateur, the palette, and I'm also using the new NARS singles. So those are the ones that I'm playing with. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy another palette because that's a lot of shadows. So we'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If you haven't subscribed, this is your first time watching it, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell button so you're notified when I have a new video. Don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.